Hello everybody, this is Mike Out Vlog. Today I'm going to teach you how to drive an automatic car. I'm not a professional driving trainer, but I just wanna to share you guys my basics experience in how to drive an automatic car. Before I forget, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you are notified when uploading my new videos. Without further ado, let's start. Before we start, I will show you how to get inside the car properly for your safety and for the safety of others. First, you have to come from front of the car. Then so that you can see who will coming here, or if your car is you park on the side of the road. This is for your safety and safety of others. First, you have to get here. Check the right side and open your door. Then get inside. Check again. That's it. When you get inside the car, don't forget to wear your seat belt. This is important, guys. This is a seat belt. You have to lock the seat belt. And then check your seat. If you are properly seated, you have adjuster here. You can adjust front and back. And a proper way of holding the steering wheel, it should be 10 o'clock in the left side and 2 o'clock in the right side. Now I will teach you some important button here inside the car. First, we have a door handle, power window, door lock control. You can lock so that someone sitting there, they cannot open. This is the control for the side mirror. You can adjust left and right. This is the speedometer and the fuel gauge. You can see here in this part. We have two pedal. We have a brake pedal and the gas pedal. This is the horn. This part is horn and airbag also inside. This part, the turn signal indicator. And if you turn left, if you turn right, you can adjust. You can adjust here, left and right. And then you can on and switch on also the light here, switch and on, switch off. This is the controller. And if raining, you can control the wiper here. And the other side have gear lever. This have park, reverse, neutral, drive and low. And this part is the handbrake. If you want to go down, you have to press this one. Okay. This part is your radio and AC controller. That part is your compartment. This is your rear mirror, so that you can see others at your back. This is important because if you are using your brake, you have to check every time this rear mirror. Okay, that is for all the important button and a part inside the car. Okay, now guys, we will start the car so that we can move. I will show you how to start the car. First, you have to press the brake pedal. Automatic car should be always up. You're pressing the brake pedal, and then after you press that one, you have to click the start button because this one is the start button car. You have to click it. Now the engine is start. The second you have to do is change the gear into the drive. Okay, just put on the drive, but still your foot is still on the brake. Don't release the brake, and then release the handbrake. Press this button on the tip of this handle and push it down, and then little bit release the brake, and then go to the gas, because if you release the brake, automatic it will moving the car. So you have to control the gas pedal, and you sit properly, put your hand properly, what I tell our previous lesson. Okay, that is all for today, guys. Please subscribe if you are new to my channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you are notified when I'm uploading a new video, my new videos, guys. Thank you guys for watching my video. See you next time. Bye, guys.
Boop.